Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if your AirPods microphone volume seems to be too low and others can't seem to hear you during calls or when you record something. So to fix this, first head to the AirPods settings on your iPhone. Now scroll down and find microphone on the list. Now simply tap on it. So by default your AirPod will switch between the left and the right microphone depending on how you are wearing them. This works quite well in most cases, but with certain third-party apps like WhatsApp, Facebook or Instagram or Messenger, this may not work well. So you can try selecting left AirPod only or right AirPod only and see if that fixes the problem. If that doesn't help, go back to the previous menu. Now find this listening mode option. Now switch between transparency or adaptive. Make sure you don't select noise cancellation as it can interfere with the microphone volume. If nothing else works, your last option is to reset the AirPods and then pair them with your iPhone again. So to do this, you'll first need to place your earbuds inside the case and leave them for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, you'll need to open the AirPods case and then press and hold this back button for 15 seconds. So simply press and hold this button. You should see a white light blinking. Now wait for this light to turn yellow. Keep holding the button while the light looks yellow. Once you see the white light again, it means that your AirPods are now reset. Now you can simply reconnect with your iPhone and your issue will be solved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.